This video will walk you through the steps needed to update or change your account details. Visit elkislandlocal28.ca and click Members/EasyPD. In order to log into your account, use a social media account or type in your email and password. Now click on My PD. Click on Account Details. Scroll past the credit balance history and the email from Elk Island Local in order to arrive at Account Details. Make any changes required to your account details. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. It is important to keep your account information up to date so that PD isn't declined and reimbursement checks don't go to the wrong school or address. If you have any questions, please phone 587-988-3663 or email elkislandpublicata@gmail.com.